North Scottsdale is certainly home to some wonderful residences, but few can compare to the style, refinement and leisure facilities of this superb estate. My name is Mark Thomas and I'm in the heart of the Sonoran Desert, at a home which defines the luxurious lifestyle you can enjoy, surrounded by beauty in the perfect climate. Meticulously renovated and upgraded in 2017. This builder's personal home sits on 2¼ acres in the prestigious gated community of Ladera Vista, close to Troon Country Club and in the foothills of the dramatic McDowell Mountains. The residence is approached by way of a gated courtyard, and even before you enter the home, the quality and style are evident, with water features and dramatic design elements. Through the imposing arched double doors, you enter an environment of great harmony and refinement. The bright open floor plan begins with magnificent stone columns supporting archways, through which you pass from the foyer into the sophisticated formal living room and formal dining room. The main living space is a casual yet stylish domain, which includes the family room, kitchen and breakfast room. The Gourmet chef's kitchen features custom knotty alder cabinets, stainless steel appliances and gorgeous granite countertops, and is the perfect place for the chef to prepare dinner whilst remaining part of the entertainment, as the guests or family relax in front of the large stone fireplace. The rear yard is a private and peaceful oasis with a stunning swimming pool with spa, outdoor cooking and dining, and ample space to relax in the perfect climate. The bedroom suites are all found on the ground floor and enjoy private patios and full bathrooms, with the finest of these being the master bedroom. A bright and spacious bedroom with fireplace and decorative ceiling passes into a sumptuous bathroom, fitted closets and fitness room. On the lower level you discover a huge wine cellar and state-of-the-art theatre room, whilst on the upper level you find the perfect billiards room with full bar. The home is complete with a work-from-home office, a 4-car garage, and the opportunity to live the perfect Arizona lifestyle in a home of extraordinary style and grandeur.